Wait till you see this. Seriously, Citroen just dropped something huge, and I'm about to spill all the details. We're talking a game changer, folks. Forget everything you thought you knew about the C3, because the 2025 model is here to completely blow your mind. Get ready for a deep dive into the design, the features, and everything else that makes this car a must-see. Buckle up, because this is going to be wild. Alright guys, so Citroen has officially unveiled the 2025 C3, and the first thing you'll notice is the absolutely bonkers redesign. It's a total departure from previous models, boasting a sharper, more aggressive stance, and honestly, it looks fantastic. We're talking sleek lines, a bold new front grille, and redesigned headlights that give it a real futuristic vibe. But it's not just about the looks. They've also packed it with a ton of new tech. Think a fully digital dashboard, a massive infotainment screen with all the bells and whistles, and a suite of advanced driver assistance systems that will keep you safe and sound on the road. Plus, rumor has it they're offering multiple powertrain options, including a fully electric version. Oh, this could be the car that finally gets me to ditch gas for good. What do you guys think about that? Let me know in the comments down below, because I am personally excited about this one because it could really be a potential electric change in the long run. Now, let's dive a little deeper into what makes this 2025 C3 so special, because it's not just a pretty face. Citroen has really focused on making this car incredibly practical and comfortable for everyday use. The interior is surprisingly spacious, even in the back, and the seats are designed for maximum comfort on those long road trips. They've also used high-quality materials throughout the cabin, which gives it a premium feel. Beyond that, the new suspension system promises a smoother, more refined ride, and the handling is said to be noticeably improved. And of course, with the fully electric version, you'll get instant torque and zero emissions, which is always a bonus. But what's even more interesting is the price point. They're really trying to make this car accessible to a wider audience. This car is truly a game changer when it comes to the automotive industry, with so much room and space for everyone and everything that you need to accomplish. This is really a must-have. So there you have it, a first look at the all-new 2025 Citroen C3. What do you guys think? Are you as excited as I am? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more automotive news and reviews. Share this video with your friends who are car enthusiasts, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.